Hi guys, this is the HardReset YouTube channel, and today in front of me Samsung Galaxy S23 Plus, and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on that device. So if you want to log out from Gmail application, you should first log out from Google accounts on your device. Now we can see that we are logged out here into two accounts at the same time. So just to log out from one from these accounts, let's tap to manage accounts on this device, select one from these accounts, and then just tap remove account. After that, confirm your action by click to remove account, and that's it. So let's just go back to the application, and we can see that in Gmail app we also stay only with one Gmail account. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.